Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the PhD notification that has come out from Savitribai Phule Pune University, Maharashtra. So previously it is known as Pune University. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications, and please join our Telegram channel so that you will get all the latest notification in your mobile. So let's get started. So now we are into the official website of this Savitribai Phule Pune University. So there you can check the news and announcement section. In this section, if you click this view all news and announcement, you will go to this page. Okay, so here if you just scroll down below, there are 4 important things you need to check. So there is a notification for PhD entrance examination 2021, list of subjects for the PhD admission, center wise vacant list and guide wise vacant list. So we'll check all the 4 details in this video only. So this will be a complete video, so please watch the video till the end and do not skip it. So this is the first notification, that is, so let us zoom it, that is the circular number 186. So it is for the PhD notification, PhD entrance notification 2021. Alright, so the entrance online applications invited by the Savitribai Phule University from the eligible candidates for the admission of PhD program in the university departments and recognized research centers. So there are so many research centers and departments under this university, they are inviting the applications. So the candidates shall be admitted to the PhD program by a 2-stage process. So 2 stage means one will be an entrance examination, here you can see, and second one will be an personal round interview, that is this. Okay, so in the entrance test there will be 2 parts, like research methodology 50 marks, subject specific 50 marks, in total 100 marks, and total questions will be 100 marks. So you need to keep in mind the important dates here. So date of online PhD entrance examination will be 22nd August. So this is the date of the entrance examination, and this will be the last date of the entrance of the application, that is 31st July 2021. It will be the last date of the online form. So it is already started, as today is 14th July, so from 12th July it is already started. So the result will be announced on 24th August. Okay, so there you can check all the details regarding this entrance. So let us see what is the eligibility criteria for this PhD program. So as you know, that is the PhD program, the master's degree is must from a professional degree declared equivalent to the master's degree by the corresponding statutory body, at least 55% mark or aggregate, or its equivalent grade B in the UGC 7-point scale. So you need to check this. Relaxation of 5% mark for the reserve category, that is SC/ST category. The candidates who have cleared the MPhil coursework, at least 55% mark in the aggregate or equivalent to grade B or in the UGC 7-point scale, so successfully completing the MPhil degree shall be eligible proceed to do the research work leading to the PhD degree in the same institution in an integrated program. Okay, so this you can check. So there will be some relaxation, that means for from some exemptions. Some exemptions are there. So candidates qualified in the UGC NET including JRFs, CSIR NET. So all these qualified candidates will be exempted from the entrance test. They can directly come for the personal round interview. So there will be an entrance examination fees, that is 1000 rupees for the general and 750 for the reserve categories. and exempted from the appearing entrance examination. So you need to pay the 1000 rupees. For the general category you need to pay 800 rupees, and for the reserve category you need to pay 600 rupees. So the mode of payment will be on the debit card, credit card, or net banking through online system only. So this will be the online link through which you can pay the registration fee. So these are some of the documents are required. You can check. These are the general documents. You can check it. So I am skipping this. Alright. So let us see what are the subjects. It's the important thing. What are the subjects available for this PhD program? So there you can check in the science and technology. All these subjects are available: atmospheric, space sciences, basic medical science, bioinformatics, biochemistry, biotechnology, botany, chemistry, computer science, electronic science. So all the important subjects are there, and also the engineering subjects like chemical engineering, computer, electrical, electronics, telecommunication, instrumentation. So all these important engineering topics are also there. So around in the science and technology and engineering there are 36 topics. Apart from this there will be commerce and management topics. There you can check the accounting, auditing, accountancy and auditing, banking and finance. So business administration, business economics. So there are several topics. Along with that, humanities are also there: English, German, Hindi, Marathi, law, anthropology. So all these topics are for your humanities. And the interdisciplinary studies is also there, that is drama, music, women's studies, library and information science, social work, education, physical education. So all total that is 72 topics are there, including the science and technology and commerce and management, humanities and interdisciplinary studies. So let us see what are the vacant seats on this PhD admission program. So these are the centers for the science and technology. These are the center and number of vacant seats you can check. So there will be India Meteorological Department. So there you can check the number of seats available. That basically it is a seat metric. You can check like this. For the basic medical science, this is the institution, that is National Institute of Virology. National Institute of Virology address you can check in the Pune. So there you can check the number of seats available. Alright. So for all the subjects, the related center you need to find, and there you can check the number of seats available. If you are coming to this engineering and other topics, you can come below. There you can check all the seat metrics. Okay. So there is an important note here. So vacant seats are like to change because the university has the power to change it. So reservations are applicable as per the Government of Maharashtra rules, including reservations for the persons with disability, orphan or defense personal children, ex-servicemen child. The reservation for the SPC category as per the Government of Maharashtra rules. So you can check the details and some rules and regulations here. There you can check. Okay, so this is a very short notification. I hope you got all the information regarding this. Please check this link in the below description so that you will get all the information. I'll put this link also in the description so that you will get all the details. So I hope you like this video, and if you have liked this video, then please press the like button, and also please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding different PhD and UG and PG admissions in India and abroad. We have made more than 20 videos in this category, so please join our channel and get all the latest notifications from different universities in India and abroad. So thank you for watching this video, and also please join our join our Telegram channel so that you will get all the latest notification, and also our Facebook, Twitter handles. And if you have any queries and doubts, please comment us below, or else you can send us an email. All the details are given in the description. So thank you for watching, and see you soon in another video.